This is 4 fingering groups for 12 major scales and singing along to 15 major scale series, Lesson 6, Common Fingering, G major scale. Lesson 1 introduced the 4 fingering groups. Lesson 2 presented the single sound system for all musical accidental notes. Lesson 3 used the C major scale to illustrate the 5 characteristics of the common fingering. Lessons 4 and 5 utilize the common fingering characteristics in D and E major scales and demonstrated how easy and nice is the single sound system. In this lesson 6, we'll temporarily skip letter F and learn the G major scale. Same procedures as before, I'll play 1, 2, and 4 octaves. The ascending G major scale is G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. There's only one sharp note, F sharp. Its single sound name is of course Phi. I hope you all know by now. Like other 3 common fingering scales, C, D, and E major scales, G major scale fingering is right hand, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The descending E major scale is G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, and G. In the single sound system, they are G, Phi, E, D, C, B, A, and G. Fingering is again the same as in the C, D, and E major scales. Right hand is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and left hand is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's play on the piano. Right hand first. Ascending G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Descending G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. Fingering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Left hand ascending G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Descending G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. Fingering 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All root notes are played by the thumb or the pinky. All third and sixth notes are played by the middle finger. Third, sixth, third, sixth, third, sixth, third, sixth. The single sound system has a one-on-one relationship with the staff note, the pitch, and the piano case, offering us an alternative way to sing along without the need of a conversion to the movable do solfège. G, A, B, C, D, E, Phi, G, Phi, E, D, C, B, A, G. To play 2 or more octaves, follow the number 5 rule of the common fingering characteristics. Don't force the thumb to go under the pinky or the pinky cross over the thumb for the next note. In other words, when playing ascending, the right hand only uses the pinky when you want to stop or when you are ready to go descending. Similarly, when playing descending, the left hand only uses the pinky when you want to stop or you are ready to go ascending. It's time to play 3 or 4 octaves, expanding the 2-octave fingering further up and down. Thanks for watching. Next lesson will be the last common fingering scale, the A major scale. Hope to see you